Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy English with Adam and Sarah. I'm Adam and I'm super happy to be here again.
Hi everyone, I'm Sarah. It's so good to see you back. Today's topic is one that everyone can talk about, your family.
That's right. Family is one of the first things people ask about when they get to know you. It's an easy and warm topic, and it helps you practice simple English sentences.
Exactly. So Adam, why don't we start by talking about your family?
Sure. My family isn't very big. I have a mom, a dad, and one younger sister. My mom's name is Julia, and she's a teacher. My dad, Mark, works as an engineer. My sister's name is Emma. She's in high school, and she's very funny.
Oh, that sounds like a lovely family. I think your sister must make everyone laugh.
She really does. She's always joking or making silly faces. What about you, Sarah? Tell me about your family.
Okay, so my family is a bit bigger. I have my parents, 2 brothers, and 1 little niece. My mum's name is Laura, and she's a nurse. My dad is retired now, but he used to be a taxi driver. My older brother, James, is married, and his daughter is my niece. Her name is Lily, and she's 4 years old.
That's adorable. Little kids always make the house so full of energy.
Oh yes, she runs around and sings all day long. My younger brother, Ben, is a university student. He's studying computer science.
So you have a busy family. It's nice how everyone is doing something different.
Yes, and we're very close. We like having dinner together on Sundays. My mum cooks, and everyone helps a bit.
That's a beautiful tradition. I think family dinners are great for bonding. And for food, of course.
Absolutely. So listeners, when you talk about your family, you can use simple sentences like, I have 2 brothers, or my mother is a nurse. You can also describe what they're like. For example, my father is kind, or my sister is funny.
Yes, and you can use he's or she's to describe people, like he's tall or she's friendly.
Exactly. You can also talk about what your family likes to do together. For example, we watch movies, or we go for walks on weekends.
Let's make a short example conversation for our listeners.
Okay, let's do it.
Sarah, do you have a big family?
Yes, a little bit. I have 2 brothers and my parents. What about you?
I have 1 sister. She's younger than me.
What does she like to do?
She loves dancing and listening to music. She's very energetic.
That's nice. Does your family live together?
Yes, we all live in the same house. What about you?
No, my brothers live in different cities, but we visit each other often.
That's great. I think family time is really special.
I agree. And when you talk about family in English, don't forget words like mother, father, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, cousin, niece, and nephew.
Right. Those are very common family words. And if you want to describe relationships, you can say, James is my brother, or Lily is my niece.
Exactly. It's simple but very useful.
Let's practice describing one more example family, just for fun.
All right, let's imagine a person named Anna.
Okay. So Anna has a big family. She has 2 brothers, 1 sister, and her parents. Her mother is a doctor, and her father is a taxi driver. Her brothers are students, and her sister works in a shop.
Perfect. And if Anna wants to describe them, she could say, my mum is very kind. My dad is funny. My sister is helpful, and my brothers are smart.
That's such a nice example. You see, it's all about short, clear sentences.
Yes. And remember, listeners, when you talk about your family, speak from the heart, because everyone loves to talk about the people they care about.
Well said, Sarah.
Thank you. So before we finish, Adam, tell me, what's your favorite thing to do with your family?
I think my favorite thing is when we all cook together. My mom makes pasta, my dad grills vegetables, and my sister plays music. It's just fun and full of laughter.
That sounds wonderful. I love family movie nights. We watch old movies, eat popcorn, and just relax.
That's perfect. Family time really is the best.
It sure is. So everyone, take a few minutes today to think about your family in English. Try saying, I have a brother. He's kind. My mother is a teacher. We like to go to the park.
Exactly. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to talk naturally.
All right, that's all for today. Thanks for joining us, everyone.
Yes, thank you for listening. And remember, family is not just about people. It's about love, care, and connection.
Oh, beautifully said, Adam.
Haha, thank you. See you next time, everyone.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also share with yours friends.
Good for now.